You didn't think it was going to be that easy, did you? For a second there? Yeah, I kind of did. Silly rabbit.
Close your eyes, have no fear. The monster's gone, he's on the run, and your daddy's here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. Before you go to sleep, say a little prayer. Every day, in every way, it's getting better and better. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. Out on the ocean, sailing away. I can hardly wait to see you come of age. But I guess we'll both just have to be patient. 'Cause it's a long way to go, a hard road to hoe. Yes, it's a long way to go, but in the meantime, before you cross the street, take my hand. Life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. Before you go to sleep, say a little prayer. Every day, in every way, it's getting better and better. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. Darling, darling, darling.
How about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Twinkle little star, I wonder what you are. I wonder what you are.
Up above.
Police truck!
He knows the whole song.
Where's the doggy?
Wait,
Here
wait.
Is your name Ned Curran?
And it's not coming. Yeah, I'm stuck in the light. Oh, there's a blue light. The red light.
He's talking about that.
Daddy, the red lights. The red lights.
Yeah. Hey, why don't you go talk on the microphone some more?
Ned, Ned, come here and talk on the microphone. Come and talk on the microphone. Where are we? Where are we? Ned, where are we? Where are we?
We are in the
We're in Arkansas.
We are in Arkansas.
Right, we're in Arkansas.
Oh no.
Off and on.
We are in
Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station on the island of Sodor.
That's right, that's what you say.
You tell Daddy how you go trick or treat. What do we do when we go to a house?
Exactly.
You get to ring the doorbell
Or knock on the door.
and knock on the door.
It's like trick or treat.
Yay!
Then what happens when you say trick or treat?
Candy.
Isn't that great?
I'm gonna get candy.
Yes, you are.
And we're fill your bag up with candy.
Looks awesome.
Here's Ned's bag.
Totally awesome. Says Ned on it.
Says Ned.
Looks great, you guys.
Right.
Nice work, Mama, on the lovely and wonderful costume.